Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to our online class with Best English School. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing your homework daily. So today in 5th standard we are going with English subject. In English we are going to start our new lesson Unit 6. Everyone please take your textbook. Open the page number 94. Page number 94. Our Unit 6. Our first स्टोरी भी नहीं है ये एक और पोएम भी नहीं है, ये सिर्फ एक आपको पैराग्राफ कह सकते हो उस तरह से दिया हुआ है. क्लास डिस्कशन. डू यू नो व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ क्लास डिस्कशन? क्लास डिस्कशन मीन्स हम जब क्लास में कोई टॉपिक पढ़ते हैं, व्हेन वी लर्न अबाउट समथिंग, तो हम उस टॉपिक के बारे में कुछ पूछते हैं, एक दूसरे से डिस्कस करते हैं. इट्स कॉल्ड क्लास डिस्कशन. DISCUSSION डिस्कशन. ओके, क्लास डिस्कशन. आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि क्लास डिस्कशन क्या होता है. आप बातें करते हो वो नहीं, जब हम कुछ न्यू टॉपिक पढ़ते हैं, सीखते हैं, तो उसके बारे में जानने के लिए एक दूसरे का ओपिनियन लेते हैं कि वो क्या समझा, मैं क्या समझी. इस तरह से वो क्या होता है, क्लास डिस्कशन. ओके, देखो पिक्चर में आपको दिख रहा है क्लास है, टीचर है, स्टूडेंट्स है, वो कुछ एक दूसरे से समझ रहे हैं, यानी वो क्लास डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं. ओके, नाउ कम टू द अवर टॉपिक. In the class discussion, Jan, you hardly said a word. We all had our opinions, but but from you we barely heard. You sat and stared in silence, surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Jan, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? Jan looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. So there is a one teacher who asked the students. Its name is Jan, JANE. टीचर उससे पूछती है कि बेटा तुम क्लास डिस्कशन जब होता है तब आप बहुत हार्डली यानी बहुत ही कम बोलते हो. हम सब अपना मंतव्य रखते हैं, ओपिनियन मीन्स हम सब अपनी बात रखते हैं, लेकिन हमने तुम्हें बहुत ही कम सुना है. तुम सिर्फ बैठे रहते हो चुपचाप. जो लोग आसपास सब बातें करते हैं तुम उनके आसपास चुपचाप बैठे रहते हो. नाउ टेल मी जैन, अब मुझे बताओ, एंड प्लीज़ बी प्लेन, यानी सीधे सीधे बताओ. इज़ देयर एनी मैटर, क्या तुम्हें कोई प्रॉब्लम है? जैन लुक्ड अप एंड देन शी स्पोक. वो ऊपर देखती है और फिर बोलती है. हर वॉइस वॉज क्लियर एंड लो. उसका वॉइस कैसा है, एकदम क्लियर लेकिन लो यानी धीमा है. वो क्या बोलती है, देयर आर मैनी पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड. दुनिया में ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं. वो आर रेदर क्वाइट, यू नो, जो बहुत ही कम बोलते हैं यानी शांत रहते हैं. कभी कभी शांत भी नहीं रहते. आपने देखा होगा ना, कोई कोई बच्चे होते हैं वो पूरे दिन मस्ती करते हैं, और कोई बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं कि वो कभी कभी इतने शांत होते हैं कि उनको किसी ने मस्ती करते हुए देखा ही नहीं होता. आपके क्लास में भी आपने देखा होगा कोई बच्चा ऐसा होगा जो क्लास में पूरे दिन चुपचाप बैठा रहता है, और बाकी सारे बच्चे पूरे दिन बोल बोल करते हैं, सारे पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, लेकिन एक बच्चा ऐसा होता है कि वो साइलेंटली बैठा होता है. तो बस टीचर उसी से इस बारे में पूछ रही थी. तो हमारा क्या है पैरा, इन दिस क्लास डिस्कशन जैन यू हार्डली सेड अ वर्ड. We all had our opinions, but from you we barely heard. You sat and stared in silence, surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Zan, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? Zan looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. Now come to the word meanings, new words. Discussion. DISCUSSION. Discussion means talking together in a group or a single topic. Talking together in a group on a single topic. Add AIRAD, make public. barely, BAREL by only, just, stare, looked up fixedly with eyes wide open and plain clear. Okay, so now you have to write these new words in your notebook. So everyone, please take your notebook with you, open the new page, write down today's date and day, unit 6 class discussion. After it, write down these words, then we will go with the our question answer. Okay, don't do any spelling mistake, don't do any spelling mistake. Okay, write down quickly. Now come to the question answer of the poem. What activity was going on in the class? कौन सी एक्टिविटी क्लास में चल रही थी? Discussion was going on in the class. So we will write discussion was going on in the class. आपको what activity की जगह क्या लिखना है? Discussion, and then same it is from the question. Discussion was going on in the class. Then who was the quiet in the class? Jane was the quiet one in the class. Who was the quiet one in the class? Jane was the quiet one in the class. आप who की जगह क्या लिखोगे? Jane. Then same it is. Then who was the quiet? अब इसमें से क्या होगा? She was quiet by nature. She was quiet by nature. Then how do you interact in class during discussion? Do you participate or remain quiet? So I speak less and listen to others more. यानी आपको यहाँ पे पूछा क्या गया है? आप क्लास में जब डिस्कशन होता है तो आप किस तरह से पार्टिसिपेट करते हो? क्या आप उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते हो या चुपचाप बैठे रहते हो? तो आई रॉट आई स्पीक लेस, मैं कम बोलती हूँ, एंड लिसन टू अदर्स मोर, और दूसरों को ज़्यादा सुनती हूँ. तो हम किस तरह से भाग लेते हैं? आई स्पीक लेस एंड लिसन टू अदर्स मोर. देन चूज 2 friends in your class who are very different from each other. Use the clues in the box to describe their nature. You may also add your own words to describe them. देखो, naughty, lively, sharing, careless, quiet, friendly, helpful, regular, cheerful. So आपको 2 स्टूडेंट्स लेना है. आपके जो फ्रेंड है वो नेचर वाइज कैसे होने चाहिए? डिफरेंट. एक तो बहुत ही नोटी और एक बहुत ही शांत. सो Munni and Sonu are my classmates. They both are different by nature. Sonu is lively and naughty. He is helpful and very friendly. Munni is a quiet boy. He is very studious. He is very regular in the studies. Sonu is not as cheerful as Munni. Then find one story of bravery about a child. You can search for the story by talking to older people or watching a TV program or from a film. Write down the story. Also mention its source. Narrate the story to the class. Which story did you like the best? Write down your reasons. So there is a story. आपको स्टोरी लिखना है. किसकी लिखना है? ब्रेवरी. एक बहादुर बच्चे की स्टोरी लिखना है. उसके लिए आप ओल्ड पीपल की हेल्प ले सकते हो, टीवी में भी देख सकते हो, फिल्म में भी देख सकते हो. आपको वो स्टोरी लिखना है. आपको वो क्यों अच्छी लगी उसको भाई रीज़न लिखना है. उसके बाद वो स्टोरी का सोर्स यानी वो स्टोरी आपको कहाँ से मिली है वो भी लिखना है. सो लेट्स सी. I have read the following story of a brave boy. Karim was a shepherd boy. He used to graze his sheep and goats outside his village near the railway track. One day he found a few persons damaging the railway track. He hid himself and watched them. When those men had gone, he came to the track. a train expected to come in about half an hour. He knew that there would be a serious accident. He wanted to hit upon their plan. He wanted to hit upon their plan. He went about half a kilometer up the track. He stood at the of the track. When the train became visible, he began to wave his red bag. The driver applied brakes. The train stopped. He saved the train and its passengers. He also told police about the men who had damaged the track. They were terrorists. Police arrested them. Karim was rewarded. He was given free school education. I like this story because Karim saved hundreds of lives by his presence of mind. Now read Sheetal's notice. Discuss the question. The follows. ये notice है. क्या है notice? The drama committee will meet in the classroom on Monday at 2 o'clock. We will plan a play for our annual day. Will each one of you please bring a play? Sila. Okay, who was to meet? The drama committee was to meet. When were they to meet? They were to meet on Monday at 2 o'clock. देखो आपको ये आंसर सारे ये जो नोटिस है ना इसी में से मिल जाएंगे. Who was to meet? The drama committee was to meet. When were they to meet? They were to meet on Monday at 2 o'clock. Where were they to meet? They were to meet in the classroom. What were they to do? They were to plan a play for their annual day. Okay? So आई होप आपको ये क्वेश्चन आंसर समझ में आ गए होंगे. देखो फर्स्ट क्या था, व्हाट एक्टिविटी वाज गोइंग ऑन इन द क्लास, डिस्कशन वाज गोइंग ऑन इन द क्लास. हु वाज द क्वाइट वन इन द क्लास, जैन वाज द क्वाइट वन इन द क्लास. व्हाई वाज शी क्वाइट, शी वाज क्वाइट बाय नेचर. हाउ डू यू interact in class during discussion? Do you participate or remain quiet? I speak less and listen to others more. After it you have to story to write. इसकी जगह पे आप और कोई सी भी स्टोरी बना के लिख सकते हो. Then you have a notice. You have to write all question answer from this notice. Who was to meet? The drama committee was to meet. When were they to meet? They were to meet on Monday at 2 o'clock. Where were they to meet? They were to meet in the classroom. What were they to do? They were to plan a play for their annual day. So now you have to write this question answer in your notebook and learn it. Okay? In next lecture we will go with the story of our unit 6. So do your homework daily. Stay home, stay safe and be happy. Bye.